I am on page 46 of the text, and we're ready to do our vocabulary list for this story. So page 46, I'm going to zoom in on our notepad and list the vocabulary words for the sun, earth, and moon. I chose only 8 words this time because this chapter has a lot to do and I didn't want to just overload you with information. But I picked out 8 of the words that I thought you're likely to see again, and they're not quite as difficult as the last chapter. These are a little bit more manageable. So the first one that I noted is the word galaxy. Galaxy. That's a very important science term. And also universe. A universe is everything that is. A galaxy is inside a universe. Universe is the biggest. Then we talked about the phases of the moon. The word orbit is a very important science term, as is revolution. Revolution can also be a social studies term. A little later on in this lesson, or actually I think we already did talk about the American Revolution, so it can be either subject, but it has a very different meaning. Then we have axis, sustain, and satellite. And all of these words are in your story. They're just words that I think you might encounter again. And I'm going to write the alphabet. Remember that I can erase. I would not recommend that you do this. Use a scrap sheet, maybe a post-it note to write your ABCs on if you need it. If you don't, that's fine. I just like to have mine here where I can see it. So I'm just writing out the alphabet on a scrap sheet. I can easily erase. Okay. So as always, I want to look for any words that begin with the letter A. And I do have one this time. We have the word axis. So I'll take A out. No B's, no C's or D's, E's, F's, but I do have a G. I have the word galaxy. So that's the second word. H's, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. I do have an O. I have the word orbit. P, we do have phases. No Q's this time. We do have an R. We have revolution. We have 2 S words. We have SU in sustain and SA in satellite. So A comes before U in the alphabet. This is 6, this is 7, and this one would be 8. So I'm finished with my alphabet, and there is my ordered list of words. I am going to stop the video, and then in the next one we will define these words.